Hi, my name is Sabrina Templo. Today is April 10, 2020, and this is week 5 of Bio 240. And week 5 is about the respiratory system. For this week's video exercise, I am going to do the first part of the lab exercise where we estimate the tidal volume. So for the first part, you have to be at rest for about an hour before you do the exercise, and using a timer, I am going to count the number of times that I am going to breathe in 30 seconds. So one complete cycle of inhaling and exhaling is considered one breath. So I'm going to start. Okay, so I got 9. So from the result that I got, I'm going to record the number of breaths on the data on table 1. That says a trial 1 next to the number of breaths per 30 seconds. So for this video, I'm only going to do it one time. But for the lab, you have to repeat it 2 more times for a total of 3. And you're going to record the number of breaths taken during each 30-second period under trial 2 and 3. And then you have to calculate the average of the 3 trials and then multiply the average by 2 to get the average number of breaths per minute. And then record the average of numbers of per minute on over here on the bottom. So next step, I'm going to take a regular breath and exhale into a balloon. So I'm going to stretch the balloon several times, and I'm going to blow it up once or twice to its full capacity without breaking it. So once it is stretched, I'm going to take a regular breath and exhale normally into the balloon. So here. Okay, so I'm going to squeeze the neck of the balloon to prevent the air to leak or coming out. And now I'm going to take the measuring tape and measure the circumference of the balloon. And I'm going to use the centimeters. So you're going to measure the widest part. So I have 47. And then now I'm going to put the measurement that I got on the first trial over here on the circumference of the balloon. So again, you have to repeat this 2 more times. For this video, I'm only going to do it one time, but you have to repeat it 2 more times and put it under trial 2 and 3. And then you have to calculate and record the average of the circumference from the 3 trials and put it under the average of trials over here. So once you have the average of the 3 trials, you can calculate the average of the radius of the balloon by dividing the average circumference from the average trial that we got and divide it by 2 pi, which is equivalent to 6.28. And this is the equation. The average radius at rest, circumference divided by 2 pi. And then once you have this, you can move into the next equation to get the tidal volume. And this is it. And this concludes my video for week 5 of Bio 240. Thank you.